Trimikoy. So I'm gonna be opening. Oh wait. Let me search. Let me search it, guys. Oh my god, I'm so lag, bro. So lag, bro. So we'll be opening Night Seek pack times 5. Let's go. What we get? We get something good. Moonflower, not bad. Not bad. Now let's go do this again. Nightshade. No. This is the real. This is sucks, bro. Oh my godness. This time I will skip it. Oh my god. Oh my god damn. It's my last. Oh my. Yeah, guys, like and subscribe and follow me on TikTok. Please do it.